Hey, welcome to another episode of DIYCarModz. I'm Jeff. So Home Depot was having some sale on some Milwaukee tools, and they happened to include this in one of the tool set that I purchased free of charge, and so I went and picked this up. The reason why I wanted to pick this up was for car detailing. So my plan is to use this tool to clean all my upholstery in my vehicle, like the carpet, the floor mats, and also the seats, using drill attachments. So here is the tool. Right. This one didn't come with the battery because the tool set I purchased came with a separate battery and charger, and it's right here. Alright, so here is what the tool looks like with the battery attached. Down here is a dial to adjust the speed. Here is the trigger, and right here will be the switch for reverse and forward. It looks like there's LEDs up here as well. Yeah. Here is the model number along with the spec of the tool. It only goes up to 800 RPM, but that's plenty for car upholstery detailing. And here it is with the brush attachment attached to the tool. Now this brush attachment does not come with the tool. This was a separate purchase that I already had. Alright, I'm just gonna take some all-purpose cleaner. Alright, so here's a bonus clip. Here is my trunk floor mats. I have this white residue here that I haven't been able to get off, and I want to see if this drill It did get majority of it out. I probably do need to still go ahead and do some here and a little bit of here, but yeah, it works really well. So as you can see, this tool works really well for auto detailing. You just need to attach the drill attachment and you're able to go ahead and clear your floor mats, your carpet, your interior, and so forth. It has plenty of power. And the part number, it's 241520 for the Milwaukee right angle drill. I'll have the product link in the description below, so check it out. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos.